Imagine fighting a war where every drone is equipped with artificial intelligence, flying itself, tracking targets, and striking with precision. Without GPS, without internet, and without remote control. This is no longer a concept of the future. Ukraine is set to receive 33,000 AI-powered drone guidance modules, a technological leap that could change how wars are fought and how drones are used on the battlefield. Today, let's break down how this move by Ukraine could redefine modern warfare, how AI makes drones deadlier and smarter, and what this means for the ongoing conflict with Russia. So, what exactly are these AI modules? These are small, powerful processors that use computer vision and machine learning algorithms to guide drones toward their targets, independently. Normally, drones rely on GPS, remote pilots, or even satellite links to navigate. But in a high-tech war zone like Ukraine, GPS can be jammed, and signal links can be intercepted or blocked. That's where these AI modules come in. They allow drones to see using onboard cameras, identify shapes, vehicles, or even human targets, and fly directly to them. No human input needed, no communication lines exposed, just see, decide, and strike. This makes Ukrainian drones much harder to stop, especially in electronic warfare-heavy zones where GPS and radio signals are constantly disrupted. Now let's talk numbers. 33,000 units. That's a massive quantity for a military still under siege. These modules are being supplied by a Ukrainian startup, supported by both the Ministry of Digital Transformation and the Ministry of Defense. According to reports, this company can currently produce 1,000 modules per week, with plans to scale that up to 2,000 per week in the near future. And yes, these aren't imported parts or foreign tech, these are locally developed, AI-powered systems. This kind of industrial capacity gives Ukraine an edge, the ability to mass-produce smart drones, while also keeping the costs low. With 33,000 AI brains in the air, Ukraine could field swarms of autonomous kamikaze drones, targeting tanks, supply lines, bunkers, and even communication centers deep behind enemy lines. Let's take a real-world scenario to understand how this works. Imagine you're operating a drone mission over enemy territory. Normally, you'd use GPS to fly the drone, a live camera to guide it, and someone manually controlling it. But with these AI modules, the drone is preloaded with target profiles, like a Russian tank, a truck, or an artillery system. As the drone flies, it uses a built-in camera to scan the terrain, and the AI processes the visual feed in real time. Once it recognizes a target that matches the profile, boom! It locks on, navigates around obstacles, and either delivers a payload or crashes as a kamikaze drone. And since the drone doesn't depend on a signal from the operator, it becomes immune to jamming. Even if the enemy tries to cut communication or destroy satellites, the drone still completes its mission. Silent, smart, and deadly. This upgrade isn't happening in isolation. Ukraine is slowly building a fully AI-integrated defense ecosystem, from artillery targeting algorithms to automatic mine detection and now to autonomous drone swarms. The focus is on speed, accuracy, and independence from vulnerable infrastructure like GPS or satellites. The 33,000 guidance modules are just the beginning. Ukraine is also developing automated manufacturing pipelines so that these modules can be integrated not just into UAVs but also into ground-based robots and loitering munitions. Think of it like an army of smart machines, all scanning, learning, and reacting faster than any human could. It's a combination of homegrown innovation, government support, and real battlefield urgency, something we haven't seen at this scale in modern warfare. So, how will this affect the war with Russia? Russia has strong electronic warfare systems. They've been jamming Ukrainian drones, intercepting control signals, and disabling GPS in key zones. But these AI-guided drones bypass all of that. They don't transmit signals that can be tracked. They don't rely on satellites, and they don't need human pilots once they're launched. This means Russia will face thousands of unpredictable self-flying drones that can hit high-value targets deep in Russian-controlled territory, with little warning. And the psychological effect is also huge. Imagine defending a base knowing hundreds of drones could appear anytime, each guided by AI, each immune to jamming. It creates chaos, fear, and constant resource pressure on Russian defenses. To sum up, Ukraine is receiving 33,000 AI-based guidance systems for drones. These drones can fly without GPS, identify targets visually, and strike autonomously. The technology is homegrown, scalable, and being deployed quickly. And most importantly, it represents the future of warfare, where smart machines do what humans can't: operate faster, react instantly, and adapt to chaos. The age of smart war has begun, and Ukraine is leading that transformation under fire. If you found this explanation useful, like and subscribe for more defense tech deep dives. Until next time, stay informed, stay curio,